What we have here is a system where we're using a protective relay, in this case a Schweitzer SEL-751A feeder protection relay, to provide overcurrent protection to a receptacle, which we've wired up through a wired CT and also test switches for CT safety. We have our circuit breaker PCB mounted underneath that for protection, and we have a load over here which is basically just a hot air gun. We also have an extension of this basic protection feature, which is a relay, an auxiliary relay, which is relaying a signal over to a digital counter. So right now our digital counter is registering a value of 45. We see a 4 over here and a 5 over here. That's counting the number of times it has tripped. And so it's simply a trip counter. Not that we can't access the same trip information from the relay itself, but we wanted to integrate an external integrated circuit counter with our protective relay system. So we've got it set up to detect current, and when we turn the air gun to the high setting, it's going to trip the time over current feature. It's going to take a few seconds to do so. Go ahead and turn it on. There we go. And we get the targets, the display there. It's showing the trip, it's showing the phase over current. And then over here, we actually have a count value on our counter of 46. That's 46 total trip events.